How good is Aflac Insurance? Is Aflac Insurance any good? Have you used Aflac Insurance before or recently? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below so that you help others. Aflac is a company that gives people extra money when you get hurt or sick. It doesn't replace your regular health insurance. It helps pay for things your main insurance doesn't cover. So, people's opinions vary online regarding their services. So let's look at what people liked about Aflac insurance. So it pays cash directly to you, which is a good thing. You can get money into your pocket. Helps with bills when you miss work if you're not working, and you still get covered. Fast payouts for small claims. Easy mobile app for filing claims. Covers accidents, cancer, hospital stays. Can get money for wellness checkups. Some reps are actually very helpful and good for people with high deductibles. Can stack multiple policies for more money in your pocket. Portable policies you can actually keep after leaving your job. So that's the plus. Here are the negatives. What people do not like about Aflac insurance: hard to get money for big claims, long wait times with customer service, lot of paperwork needed when you're going to be doing huge claims, and some claims are actually denied due to pre-existing conditions. Some reps actually disappear after signing you up onto Aflac insurance. Confusing forms and rules, doesn't cover everything actually, and some people paid for years and got nothing in the end. There are also complaints on the internet about rude and unhelpful stuff, so it's actually not great for older people and those with chronic illnesses. So, just a quick summary: if you're going to consider Aflac insurance, good for small help when you are hurt or sick. Not It's not a full health insurance. Works best if you understand the rules, and there are mixed reviews from users. Some people love it, some people regret joining Aflac insurance. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below.